What if David did not slay Goliath and became king, but instead Goliath crushed him in an instant? Or what if these two idiots from Swap never survived long enough to swap back to their bodies? Today I'm turning kids movie posters into horror, starting with David. We got the original poster and erase, just like this. Then I'm gonna import an image of David, which I screenshotted from the movie scene, and cut him out like this, using the pen tool. And boom, we've done cutting him out. Now, let's flip him like this, as if he's laying on the ground head first. Now that we're done placing David, I got Goliath's foot from the movie scene. Let's also cut it out using the pen tool. Then I'm gonna ask AI to generate the full foot. Damn. Okay. Make it a full leg. Oh no. Oh no, bro. But anyway, let's delete this and place the foot right over his face. Now I'm gonna make his eyes pop out because of the pressure of Goliath's foot. So for that, I got this image. Let's cut out the eye using the lasso tool and place it right over David's eye and duplicate it to the other side. I know he looks funny right now, but we're gonna fix that by using a layer mask. Not bad, not bad. Now, let's stretch them out a little bit using the same image we used for the eye. And just like the same with the eyes, I'm gonna blend it together using a layer mask. But the color is not quite right, so I'm gonna fix it with a little hue and saturation, and voila, the mouth matching. Now we have to make this a little convincing by adding Goliath's shadow on David's head. Okay, now we're kind of done with the composition. We just need to add the background. But before that, let's paint the Dromaeosaur coming out from his nose. Now that we painted the Dromaeosaurs, let's paint the background from the scene where David was fighting with Goliath, and followed by the beautiful blue sky. After that, I'm gonna paint David's shadow on the ground and a tiny piece of Goliath's foot shadows here, and also some. Then I'm gonna paint the title right up here and the credits down here. And after that, I'm gonna polish it with the camera raw filter. And here is David horror version. Like the video or else Goliath will step on your head. Next poster, we have Swap. Let's erase the original poster and place this cave image from the movie. The concept is that they woke up the root snakes and now they are going to be a delicious snack. But before I added the snakes, I painted over the wolves to erase them from the scene. And I extended the cave by painting the ground. After I was done with the cave, I got this scene of one of the snakes. But the body was not full, so I painted the rest of his body. After what felt like an eternity of trying to paint his body, I realized I was not doing a good job. So I got this scene of more snakes and I cut this small part of the snake and I used it as a cover up of the terrible job I did. And now it looks decent. So I added 2 more snakes to make the poster more intimidating and to add balance to the poster, of course. Then I added the 2 idiots in the middle of the snake. After that, I copied the main snake, made it dark, and I tried to place it over them as a shadow. But the placement fell off, so I increased their size and placed them right here. Then I darkened the scene and I made the snake dark to give the poster a little contrast. And I made their eyes glow. After doing the eyes, I placed the movie title up here and the credits down here. And here is Swapped horror version. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube knows you would enjoy the video popping on your screen. So, do the right thing.